harvesting the wheat. Yan. Mahangin. Maganda ang panahon ngayon. Ang asawa ko ay nag-harvest ng wheat. Ayan. Doon na siya. Nandito ako ngayon kasi alam nyo, maghahanap ako ng wild raspberry. Kasi maraming raspberry dito na wild. Yan, may dala akong ano. sana meron. Doon sa bushes na yan. Okay, see you. Yan. Ayan, nandito na ako sa ano. May wild apples. Oh, pero mga sira-sira. Ayan, oh, ang daming apples. Ayan, oh. Ano naman yan, ay? Crab apple. Oh, nanghangak naman ko eh. Ang kinig ko lang sa exercise. Ito, acorn na kahoy, oh. Hala, ano yung may langgam, may ibon. Ano ito? Ang kahoy na to. Ano yan, hala, ibon. Kasi, nung nagtanim si Sweetheart dito, maraming raspberry nakita ko doon. Oh. Ano yan? Ibon na yan. Oy. Very weird sound. Yan siya, oh. Yung sound niya, ano, pangit. Nakatakot. Yan si Sweetheart, oh, doon, nag-harvest. Sabi niya, sakay na ako ng truck. Sabi ko, tingnan ko na lang, lakarin ko na lang kasi hindi naman malayo. Kaya sabi niya, okay. Ito yung nilagyan ko ng watermelon. Ayan. Dinala ko kaya just in case may makita ako. Hala, uy, marami mga ano. Napakasukal. Napaka ano naman, bagnot. Uy, kabagnotan. Ay, matakot man ako magpasok doon. Uy, dito na lang ako sa gilid-gilid kung meron akong makita. Baka maraming lamok dyan. Ayan, oh. Diba? Napaka sukal ng. Wala, may berries, oh. Baka ano yan. Ayan, oh. May raspberry. Wala na yata. Ayan, oh. Ay! Meron nga talaga. Alam, may nakita ako na ano. Ayan, oh. Okay. Alam, meron nga talaga. Alam, marami doon, oh. Katawa naman to. Ayan, oh. Ay. Magalit tong ano dito. Kinuha ko yung raspberry nila. Okay. Yung mga ibon. Tingnan mo. Meron nga. Ay, nakakatuwa naman to. Sabi ko na nga ba, meron. Yan, meron tayong isa. Meron pa nga eh. Ang liliit nga lang, pero matamis to. Hindi pa naman ako nakapantalon. Ay, marami din palang ano dito. Bulaklak na ano, trillium. Wala. Meron doon, oh, pero hindi man ako nakapantalon. Baka masugatan yung aking ano, napakagandang ano, legs na ano, maraming. Tingnan nyo, maliliit. Meron siya doon sa dulo. Dito tayo. Meron tayong ano, 4 na piraso. Nakita ko last time, ang dami talaga. Dito yata yung banda eh. Doon. Kasi marami na siyang damo, kaya nakakatakot siya. Anuhin, pasukin. Yan o. Ano yung damo, very. Ay. Ari, oh. Sabi ko na nga eh. Agay. Ayan. Ito. Kasi matinik kaya ito. Ayan o. Nandoon pa sa tagulo. Ayan. Agay, mas matinik-tinik kasi ito. Yan o, marami. Maraming maliliit nga lang siya. Matamis siya ha. Hala, ang dami niya. Tara oh, ang dami siya sa loob. Kinain ko nga. Super tamis niya. Tamis. Late na yata ako kasi parang ano naman na sila yung dahon nila. Oh. Kulomolobot na. Meron talaga. Punta natin sa dulo. Kasi masukal. Maraming ano siya. Yan o, marami siya. Oo. Marami nga. May pas dito. Siguro may ano dito. May mga hayop na kumakain din ng berries. Yan, marami oh. Ayan. Marami siyang bunga. Kaso lang, ang liliit talaga. Nakakatuwa naman to eh. Ang liliit. Okay. Hayaan mo pag bunga na yung raspberry ko. Ayan oh, maraming ano, siguro may deer dito. Ayan, marami. Ayan. Yan oh, may pas na ano, may dumadaan siguro dito na mga ano, yung deer. Ayan oh. Raspberry. Hindi pa masyado hinog. Aray. Nandoon oh, sa kasuok-suokan meron. Takot naman ako dyan. Ano eh. Masukal. Kalibunan ba? Yan, meron oh. Yan oh. Kainin ko. Tamis na. Nako. Balik na ako eh. Bigay ko na lang yan sa ibon. Hindi ko na rin sila aagawan ng pagkain. Ano tong kahoy na to? Ikon niya to eh. Parang ikon siya. Yan lang nakuha natin. Ilang piraso lang to. Ang liliit. Yan mo. Dali natin kasi pinaghirapan ko yan. Ayan. Pakita ko sa asawa ko yan. Itong kuha ko. Hatian natin to. Hatian talaga. Ito. Okay. Yan. Sirado na. Thank you. Kahit konti lang. Salamat. Yan o. Raspberry. Wild raspberry. Yan o. Dami. Yan. Okay, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Yan. Shortcut tayo para madali. Tapos na akong raspberry picking ito. Yan, nakasama ko nag-harvest.
There.
Oh my goodness. Sweetheart, this is my harvest.
Big harvest, all that wine, go all the way over there.
Agoy, nahanga ka. Oh, sweetheart, I run.
Oh yeah. Well, I was looking for you, I didn't see you. Oh, you're still way over there.
Oh, there's a lot of straw on my feet.
Yeah.
I have your vitamins in my In here.
It all blows over.
Oh.
Yesterday it was so good that the
Oh.
wind blew that way.
Oh.
And then it was nice and clean.
Are you able to finish this tonight,
Oh
today?
yeah. Now we're done by 5.
Oh.
Oh, we'll get done, we get done. Nothing goes wrong.
Look, nahapla. Nahapla ang wheat because of the strong wind. But it's very thick. Is it very good?
Yep, very thick.
Very thick. We are harvesting the wheat. Muna siya. Trigo. And then, do you know where's the grains going? It's in here. Yan o. Yan na. Very dusty na. Yan na siya. Ang wheat. Wala na gid siya. Grains na gid siya. Murag humay ba? Mahumay. Ihang ko na jud. Dili man ni. Kuha na gid niya. Grains na gid niya. Dili itong wala na gid siya yung mga ihang balayan. Ihang balayan. Whew. I'm still catching my breath. Harvesting
2021.
ay 2021 di aga. Sorry. My love oh.
Last
My
year was
husband.
2020.
My sweetheart. Hi. Very nag-concentrate talaga siya. Very. Kuha na siya. Siyang pagka-farmer. Very kuhan. Focus. Very focus. Ayan. Si ano. Ayan. Nagkuha na. Kinapuno na siya. So, agoy, be careful you need to see. Because otherwise you spill the beans. You spill the grains. Ayan na, oh. Ayan, nag-transfer na ang wheat sa wagon. Ayan. Our neighbor helping us. Agoy. Ay, tara, oh. Nagigandiri, ah. Galing dito. Ayan, transfer doon. Kasi napuno na siya. And see? Ayan, tapos dadalhin yan sa elevator for drying. Are you going to dry that, sweetheart?
10 years ago,
Ah.
you met our family, my mom and dad and my brother and sisters
Yeah.
and everybody today.
Today?
On the Saturday, yep.
Wow.
Before the holiday weekend, before Monday.
I cannot remember already.
Yep, that was 10 years ago.
My sweetheart has a very good memory. Look, the wagon is one dito nag-park. Yan. That's Maryland bird. No more.
Okay, there you go.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we gotta text Mars.
Okay, you're gonna text Mars.
I can't almost. I said 1:30. Boy, I was right on time. Where is Mars? 10 years ago, Sweetie was helping me get the combine ready today.
Yeah, that one,
Sweetie
the teeth?
Yeah,
Is that
Sweetie
the
was
teeth?
putting on the plastic thing. Yep.
Look at my hand, it's so brown. Yeah, I helped my husband to put that thing,
Yep.
the
Sweetie helped me
teeth.
preparing the harvesting machine.
Yeah, I'm drilling.
Yeah. You used the
It
drill.
was 10 years ago already, sweetheart.
10 years. Yep.
Wow, that's fast. Thank you, Lord,
Yep.
for amazing life.
This
and
September,
give
10
us
years.
more.
I asked my friend Sweetie to marry me.
Oh my goodness. September, yeah. September 25, I cannot
Was it 25?
forget that. You proposed me.
I prefer with you.
Oh, yeah. On September.
I told Sweetie may not want to forget her camera. Sweetie made me want to bring her
Camera?
camera.
And you proposed me, but I don't have a ring
I
because
said maybe a lot of nice pictures all about it. See the crops and
because we are not allowed to wear ring in the workplace, so I just take it off all the time.
Yeah. We're not the only ones. Other people do too.
Yeah,
Not always wearing rings.
yeah,
Depends what you're wearing. You don't want to get dirty.
yeah. I don't want to get dirty. And we're dating for 4 months, and you proposed me after that.
Well, you
Right.
said you love me, so
Of course.
I figured she loves me. Might as well get
I
married.
love my sweetheart very much.
Yeah.
Love you. you love me
surprised.
too?
Neighbors too, of course. I love to see.
Oh, thank you. I love you so much. I wanna buy you.
Yep.
And my sweetheart loves me and I love him. Then we get married.
Yep.
And we love each other.
Yep.
Because we're meant to be.
That's what Aunt Mary said. The chicken
We're
is the
meant to
pond.
be.
I want to
for
spread
each
a bit here,
other.
but it run out. The spreading run
Meant to
out here.
be. Meant to be.
It's a run out. No spreading here.
Uh-oh. She's texting you back. Oh, this is the last row here. It was, oh sweetheart, you missed a lot of thing over there. Hey, you missed a lot of hay. Is that you?
I'm not cutting the hay.
Oh, sweetheart's not cutting the hay. Dad, right?
It's a bigger hay bind, wider hay bind.
Who's cutting that?
Dad with me.
Oh, Dad, because we are not using the hay because we don't have cows and everything. Oh, the hay is still there.
Yeah, it's not. It's constantly raining. I don't know why he cut it. Why did he wait?
Oh, they wasted the hay. It's not
Yeah, well,
still.
it's
It's
hard.
not rotten
It's
yet.
hard to make hay if
It's not rotten yet.
if it rains every other day.
Not rotten yet.
Oh, that's wrong.
Oh, it can still can able to feed the animals. Oh, I think it's still okay.
Whether it's hard to
Sweetheart,
it's not always nice and dry and easy to make hay.
sweetheart, you miss. He missed a lot of hay there. See, look at that. You cannot see properly. I think the wheat is hapla ice. It's laying down. Not only our fields, but some people fields lots of like this because it's always raining and heavy pouring and strong wind.
Yeah.
September. Oh, sweetheart. September, we're gonna our anniversary. 10 years already, sweetheart.
Yep.
Oh,
We
my.
have to go back to the park once.
Oh, sweetheart, we need to go back to the park. For 10 years, huh? One
Oh, 10
decade.
years, never gone back to the park yet.
Yeah.
Never yet.
We met first.
After we got engaged, we skipped
We-
going to the park.
Yes, we meet first in the park because I was a nanny by that time, only
Yo!
one baby. Look, the bin is empty. Okay. Ayan o. Agay. Ayan. Kasi hindi na linisan. Ayan. Very dusty. Ayan o. Ayan yung grains ng wheat. Oh.
Go flying.
Thank you, sweetheart. My sweetheart is very protective to me. I love you. Then, I bring him a hotdog bun. See? Ito yung lunch niya. See, ganito. Kasi undago yan siya. While nag-harvest yan siya, yan sinusubuan ko kasi nagko-concentrate yan siya at kailangan hindi yan talaga, you cannot stop. Kailangan dire-diretso. Kaya sinusubuan ko siya para hindi siya mag-stop ba. Diba yung iba mag-harvest, stop muna kasi pahinga. No, hindi pwede yan sa kanya. Kailangan pa rin, kahit kumakain yan. Mag-stop lang pag may kailangan. Anong gagawin dyan? Diba? Ganon. Ayan yan. Agoy dumapa. Parang dito doon lang ang okay, oh. Yan, marami na ba? Ay. Wala pa. Wow, it's very thick siya. Kaya nasira ito kagabi kasi may nadala siya na bato. Kasi di ba dumapa, tapos may bato, tapos yun nasira yung ano dyan, may nasira. What time you stopped yesterday harvesting?
6:30.
6:30. Oh. Here, sweetheart.
Yep, there goes the wheat.
Huh? over the straw because it's going to the kung ano sa wheat din madala niya ba, and then it's very thick, machuchok yung ano dyan, it's choking.
Yesterday the wind was right the right way, it blew it that way,
Then
and
it's
it was
good.
real nice. Yep.
Yan, yan. Okay, see you later. Paparating na si Sweetheart. Paparating na. Paparating. Picture pa naman ako. Ayan si Sweetheart. Ayan. Ayan. Wheat harvesting 2021. Sana hindi uulan para matapos ni Sweetheart itong field na to. Kalasaan ko siya patungo. Yan o, dyan yung crush. Binabalik ngayon ni Sweetheart yung straw before binibales nila para sa mga hayop, pero ngayon binabalik niya para maging compost. Ayan o, tawag doon, ayan o, gina-chop di ay ganun pala yun, gina-chop siya. I'm going home. Uli na ako, kanina ako dari. Bye-bye, thank you, bye-bye. Bye-bye, thank you.
A few moments later.
Ayun, dito naman ako sa bahay, sa aming likod, mag-raspberry picking. Ayan, kasi may hinog na yung raspberry, oh. Ayan. Good evening, 8 o'clock ng gabi na po rito. Ay, nahulog. Kasi super, ano siya, super ripe. Ayan, oh. Super ripe. Alam nyo, yung napick ko kanina sa, sa wild, doon sa may kakahuyan, ano siya, ang tamis niya talaga. Oo. Ayan, pero marami ng hinog dito. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Yung isa. Ay, nahulog. Ito. Masarap siya. Matamis. Wala na ba? Meron pa isang nakatago. Ayan, sa sunod na naman na araw yung ilang piraso. Okay. See, meron tayong ilan ba yan? 2, 4, 6, 8 9 na piraso. Ayan, kainin na nga natin to. Salit tayo dito. Samantalang ang gabi na dito eh. Okay. Pahinga muna tayo. Ngayon lang ako nakapagpahinga. Kain tayo ng raspberry, yung napick ko. Super tamis. Akala ko maanghang. Akala ko maasim, matamis pala, oh. Matamis siya. Pero, yung sa wild, yun ang super tamis. Matamis din naman to. Pero, yung doon, napick ko, is mas super tamis siya. Matamis pala yung masyado yung wild raspberry. Masarap. Super sarap. Naubos ko na. Baka may ano to. Last bite. Last na lang. Very good. Very sweet. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time though. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want, you can share too. Bye. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat amping mong tanan.